So you've got hundreds of files, maybe even thousands, and they all need renaming. Maybe there's a date on the end you want removed or a word you want to change across all of them. Doing it one by one would take you all day. Let me show you 3 ways to do it in seconds. The first one is called Bulk Rename Utility. It's free and it's the most powerful option. You open it up, select your files, and you can remove characters, replace text, add numbers, basically anything. It looks a bit overwhelming at first, but once you figure out which box you need, it's brilliant. I'll put the link in the description. If you want something simpler, Microsoft actually makes a tool called PowerToys. It's free and one of the tools inside it is called Power Rename. You install PowerToys, then right click your files and Power Rename shows up in the menu. It lets you find and replace text across all your file names with a live preview so you can see what's going on to change before you commit. And if you don't want to install anything at all, you can do it with one line in PowerShell. Open PowerShell in the folder with your files and type the command I've put on screen. This one removes the last 7 characters from every file name, which is perfect for stripping out dates. Just make sure you back up your files first because there's no undo. Quick tips before you start: always make a copy of your files first. Put them in a backup folder. Bulk renaming can't be undone easily, so if something goes wrong, you want to be able to get back to where you were. Also, test on a small batch first. Pick 5 or 10 files, try your rename, and if it looks right, then do the full lot. Which method did you go with? Let me know in the comments, and if you've got a better tool that I didn't mention, drop it below. I'm always looking for new ones.